Oliver Hammond here at Sony. He's working in the Future Lab program. He's going to show me this new cool projector that is doing its thing. What's going on, Oliver?
Alright, so what it's doing, it's analyzing the height of the object and the shape of the object to give me different projections. Because it's a laser projector, we're actually able to project on the multiple surfaces at once and still be in focus, right?
Wow.
That's pretty cool. I'm going to set that down. The computer's going to analyze that and give me a first-person view where I can actually use my hand, and now my hand becomes the camera. So wherever I rotate my hand, I can actually see. So it's pretty cool, right?
That's pretty impressive. So this is like a computer built into the projector that has the content on it and is overlaying it onto these blocks.
Exactly. Based on the height information that it receives, it'll give me different overlays. And again, depending on where I put my hand and how I position it, will give me different first-person views. You can also take that off. And if we had it programmed as such, you could actually have movable objects inside the space. And everything.
Oh, so you're moving something around, yeah. Yeah. Can you show me that camera view one more time?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, so as you move around the little lawn there, you're able to look at all the doors that would be virtually inside.
You can take a walk all the way around the house if you want to.
What sort of practical applications do you see with this technology, aside from architecture?
Obviously architecture, right? We have another demo over here where you can actually make stories come to life. I can see with gaming, imagine like every board game you've ever owned on one table.
Right.
You and the family can actually recognize up to 8 hands at once.
8 hands at once?
8 hands. So if you're playing around and everything's done, you just turn the projector off, there's nothing to clean up, no pieces to lose. Like if you're playing Monopoly, that little horse is always going to be there, you know what I mean?
Alright, so some family games. What are you doing with these chips over here?
Awesome. So these chips are going to build us some trees. So I'm going to put that right there.
Yeah.
You're going to see the tree's going to come to life.
Oh, wow.
But what's the point of a shade tree if you can't actually see where the sun's going to come from? So just turn on the sun. It's going to sit there until I grab it. I'm going to grab the sun and then direct it the way I want it to move.
Oh, so you're actually moving through the cycle of a day or so.
Right, exactly.
With the sun.
You can see sunrise and sunset. And if you get real crazy, if the sun decides to go on some weird axis, you can actually show that as well.
Gotcha.
Just for the fun of it.
That's incredible.
Pretty cool.
Thanks very much, Oliver.
Hey, thanks for stopping by.
Absolutely.